Hello everyone, nice to meet you. This is Ellen from ITC Audio. We are the manufacturer in Guangzhou in China. Our headquarters and 3 factories and also including our R&D centers are all located in Guangzhou. And we are a manufacturer of 3,700 people, and we are the official supplier for many important events in China, like Olympic Games and the Hangzhou Asian Games. Our system is also applied in the Turkey export in 2016. And this is our evacuation systems here. And it can support up to 255 drones. And ITC is the first manufacturer in China to apply for the EN54 certificate, and our system already certificates. And here you also can see, 麻烦让一下. We saw it here, our conference system here. Our main controller can connect to the wired without any cable. Wired microphone and also wired microphone, wire and wireless microphones. We use the 5G technology. You know, our cell phone now use the 4G, but we use the 5G technology for transmit the signals. And for the whole system, we can support up to 4,068 microphones. We already done one project in China with 4,000 microphones. Yes, and we also saw our LED screen here. ITC is the manufacturer, the leading manufacturer in China. We provide the integrated solution from audio, video, and to lighting. Yes, and you can also check our website in ITC Tech.